Are you seeing too many login attempts? Please try again later. Error on Netflix for Android. This usually happens after multiple failed sign-ins or a temporary app glitch. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix it on your Android phone. Before we begin the actual solutions, make sure to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Most of the time, the error is temporary. Netflix blocks login for a short period when it detects rapid attempts. Simply wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, open Netflix again and try logging in normally. If that doesn't work, move to the next solution. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Find the Netflix app on your app gallery. Tap and hold on to it. Now tap on the eye icon or app info. Find and tap on storage. Tap clear cache. Then tap clear data and confirm your choice. This will remove any previous data from your Netflix app and log you out. If you have any corrupt data, they will be gone now. Now reopen your Netflix to sign in again. Solution 2. Change or reset your password. Open a browser on your phone. Go to netflix.com/login help. In this page, look for options like Forget Password. If you're already in the Password Reset tab, check the email box, then enter your Netflix email. After that, tap Email Me. Now Netflix will send an email with step-by-step instructions. Simply reset your password by following the instructions and your problem will be solved. That's it. You should now be able to sign into Netflix without the too many login attempts error. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you in the next one.